Okay, so I'm going to multiply 27 times 9. 7 times 9 is equal to 63. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 6 is 24. So I have 243 over 4. Then I'm going to divide 4 and 243. I know that 4 can go into 24 6 times. So 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. I bring down my 3. My remainder is 3 as the numerator. And my denominator is 4. So I have 6 and 3/4. Now that portion is just for right here when I multiply 6 and 3/4 times 9. But it doesn't count for 6 times 9. 6 times 9 I know is equal to 54, right? 54 inches squared. And then this measurement right here, 6 and 3/4, is going to go right here. So now that I have these two equations right here, I need to add them together to get my final answer. So I'm going to add it together. I'm already running out of room, so I'm going to add it together right here on the top. So I have 54. Area is equal to 54 inches squared plus 6 and 3/4 inches squared. Okay, so my final answer, when I add that all together, I'm going to get 60 and 3/4 inches squared. That is my final answer. That's a very long equation problem. Now, we're going to move on to problem 7. Problem 7 says a rectangle has a perimeter of 35 and 1/2 feet, and the length is 12 feet. What is the area of the rectangle? So I need to figure out what is the area of the rectangle for my entire rectangle. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I figure out what are my measurements. So I know that the length, which is the base of my rectangle, is 12 feet. So this is 12 feet. And as you know, for a rectangle, if one side is 12 feet, and the side across is also 12 feet. Okay? So now I need to figure out what is my area then, if that is the case. So I know that when I am solving for a perimeter problem, I am adding all sides of the rectangle together to get the perimeter. And I know the perimeter is equal to 35 and 1/2 feet. Okay? It tells me right here. So I have two sides already. I have 12 and 12. So I'm going to put that down. And I need two other numbers that are the same for my sides over here. So I know that 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. And 24 plus a number is equal to my area. Okay? So 24 plus a number is equal to my area. And